It's my pleasure to welcome you all in our branch assemblies. Thank to each and every one of you for being here with us today. So before we get started, I would like to express my sincere appreciation, of course, to all who contributed and prepared to make this event come together and become a success. To the OPS team, leaders, units, and to all Titans, we couldn't have done it without you. This morning, I have definitely thought about what to share with the Titans. Sabi ko, kahit konti gusto ko, para makapag-iwan naman ako sa kanila ng learnings, something ganun, or inspiration. So, I have searched the internet and watched YouTube videos just to get an idea. And I came across this one article that I believe that best summarizes the steps in reaching one's dream and aspiration. So, I'm sure naman po na lahat ng nandito sa room na to ay merong dreams and aspirations. Tama po ba? Sige nga, can you please type dream? Kung lahat tayo dito ay merong pangarap. Pangarap para sa sarili, pangarap sa pamilya, pangarap para sa mga mahal natin sa buhay. Napakadami. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga nagpa-participate. Magkakaroon kayo ng mga elite cases this month and magna-national achievers yarn. According to Chris Widener, familiar po ba kayo kay Chris Widener? Kung hindi po, siya ay famous inspirational speaker. You know, one of my greatest dreams to become a inspirational speaker. Pero dahil hindi naman ako magaling mag-speech, hindi rin ako ganun kagaling na yung confidence ko. And kumbaga, kaya naman. Dahil lang, sabi nga, marami pa akong bigas na kakainin. Ganon. So, there are 7 steps that person should follow for us to to achieve our goals and aspirations. So, meron tayong 7 steps to follow para ma-achieve natin yon. So, first step is dream it. So, everything begins in the heart and mind of a person. You should dare to think of the possibilities that lie ahead of you. There are no small or big dreams. As what Albert Einstein said, your imagination is more powerful than your intellect. As long as you can dream it, you can imagine it, it's possible. Naiisip mo siya, ibig sabihin kaya mo siyang gawin. And the second step is believe it. Sige nga, pakitype nga sa chat box, believe it. As what the first step said, you have to dream big. But your dream should be something that is also believable and achievable. Don't overdo the first step. For example, a poor man dreamt of building a business empire. So this is big, but impossible. So parang tayo, no, as a financial advisor, we dream to become an MD or T, to become a unit manager someday, branch manager, area manager, district manager, a millionaire. So hindi siya impossible. Kasi, merong mga nakaka-reach niyan at marami dito sa industry natin. All we need to do is to know their best practices, ano ba yung mga ginagawa nila at ano ba yung mga hindi nila ginagawa. So, we need to imitate them. Yung something na kukuha ka ng mga ginagawa nila na sa tingin mo ay magiging effective din sa'yo. Sabi nga dito sa business natin, pag magaling kang mangopya, bongga. Of course, see it. Yan, yun yung pangatlong step, no? See it. The great achievers have a habit. They see things. They picture themselves living their dreams. All of this grooms the mind to control the body to carry out the dream. So dapat ikaw as a dreamer, you can see or you can picture yourselves living in your dreams. So if you are dreaming to become a branch manager, area manager, district manager, kahit dapat na-imagine mo siya, nakikita mo, di ba? Napipicture out mo. Kasi kung hindi, ibig sabihin, wala yun sa puso mo. Wala yun sa utak mo. Sinabi mo lang siya para lang, may masabi ka lang. So parang wala kang ginagawang action or wala kang gagawing action para ma-achieve yun kasi hindi mo naman talaga siya ginagawan ng paraan or hindi mo naiisip, wala sa puso mo. And next step, tell it. The reason many dreams never go anywhere is because the dreamer keeps it all to himself. It is a quiet dream that only lives inside of his mind. The one who wants to achieve their dream must tell that dream to many people. Kailangan mong sabihin yan sa leaders mo, sa team mo, sa family mo, sa loved ones mo. Kasi one reason, as we continually say it, we begin to believe it more and more. Mas naniniwala tayo na kaya yan. Magagawa natin yan. If we are talking about it, then it must be possible. Another reason, it holds us accountable. Dahil sinabi mo siya, di ba? So mas magiging responsible ka, accountable ka dun sa mga sinasabi mo na yon. Kung maalala nyo, di ba, ang ating mga managers, especially sa AM Robert, when they ask, Ano ba yung goal mo for this month? How much APE? Case count? Yung goal mo for this year. So, hindi mo lang yan basta sinasabi. Sinusulat mo yan. Tinatype mo yan sa chat box. Para mas maraming nakakaalam. So, mas nagiging accountable ko. Uy, sinabi ko yun. Kailangan panindigan ko yun. So, when we have told to others, it sparks us on to actually do it. So, we don't look foolish. Magawa tayo ng way or action, no? Para to make that dreams happen or in reality. And of course, we have plan it. Ilang step na to? Plan it. Every dream must take the form of a plan. The old saying that you get what you plan for is so true. Your dream won't just happen. You need to sit down on a regular basis and plan out your strategy for achieving the dream, no? So, kaya nga tayo meron, di ba, sa simula pa lang ng taon, sa mga tenured na natin, na agents, pinapagawa tayo ng vision board. Even the rookies. Sa simula pa lang, tinatanong ano ba yung goal mo. So, gawa ka ng vision board para ito yung magiging guide mo. Para makakapag-strategize tayo kung ano ba yung mga gagawin natin in order for us to achieve our goal or dreams or aspiration. Sabi nga, you need to sit down on a regular basis and plan out your strategy for achieving the dream. Think through all of the details. So example, you are planning to have, your goal is to have a 2.5 million elite achievers for the year 2023. Ngayon, malaki siya, no? Kung isipin, 2.5 million. So ngayon, you break it down into a small part. No? So we have 12 months in a year. So yung 2.5 million, i-divide mo siya into 12 months. So magiging magkano lang yun? O sige, 200, parang mga 204,000 something per month, no? In order for you to achieve 2.5 million APE. So ngayon, kung nalalakihan ka pa rin sa 204,000, actually yung 204,000, maliit na lang siya. Isang Elite 5 lang yan, pasok na sa bangas. So wag mo isipin, hindi mo kayang magbenta ng Elite. Sabi ko nga kanina, if others can, why can I? May nakakabenta, kaya mo rin. Kung talagang nalalakihan ka pa, divide mo pa yung 204,000 into 4. Kasi we have 4 weeks in a month. So magkano lang yun? Nasa 53,000 monthly. Weekly na lang yun. So, isang pa-plus lang yan. Every week. And then, kaya mo siyang ma-hit yung 2.5 million as long as consistent ka sa ginagawa mo. Activity, nag-strategize tayo. Okay? And work it. A dream without action is just a wish. So, we need to take action to achieve our dream, our goal, and our aspiration. Mag-activity po tayo. And step 7, enjoy it. When you have reached your goal, and your aspiration or living your dream, be sure to enjoy it. Give yourself some rewards along the way. Give yourself a huge reward when you get there. And syempre, help others enjoy it too. Be gracious, be generous, use your dreams to be better others. Then go back to number 1 again and dream a little bigger this time.